Sequoia National Park Francisco this way, Grand Tree, Hume Lake, Cedar Grove जो है वो इस तरफ जा रही है। और ये यहाँ बस एंड आरवी पार्किंग का स्टैंड है। आरवी व्हीकल खड़ी है, हो सकता है रात को यहीं रहे हों। और ये इस तरफ है ग्रांट ग्रूव मार्केट। यहाँ अंदर छोटा मोटा सामान लोकल ख़रीदना है तो ये एज़ यूजुअल हर जगह होता है, यूएस का पोस्ट ऑफिस। और ये उधर, और ये यहाँ की गिफ्ट शॉप और सामने विजिटर्स सेंटर। गिफ्ट शॉप के पीछे वो रेस्टोरेंट है ग्रैंड ग्रूव। Then this is all lodging registration is done over here, and then that is a visitors center. लंबे लंबे पेड़ और फिर बीच में ग्रैंड ट्री नेशनल श्राइन, एंड दिस इज विजिटर्स सेंटर। ये मशीन है जिसके ऊपर आप उसको टर्न करके तो ये 4 किंग्स नेशनल पार्क, किंग्स कैनियन नेशनल पार्क, दी बियर अवेयर, किंग्स नेशनल पार्क, ये 4 पेनीज जो है आप इसमें मिंट कर सकते हो। दिस इज़ अ सीन इनसाइड द गिफ्ट सेंटर। लोग यहाँ पर बैठ के अपने साथ जो खाने पीने का सामान लाए हुए हैं यहाँ पर जा रहे हैं। कुछ एक लोग ये रेस्ट रूम में घुसे होंगे। इनसाइड द विजिटर्स सेंटर, लेट मी सी what I can have a look at.
Viewed by Panoramic Point and Long Harbor Ridge. This is you can do some hikes out. Place has been great for the winter. Lots of trails are there.
Kings Canyon National Park, Kings Canyon North Dome Tower over the लाली ये सारी देखेंगे हम यार। ये किंग्स कैन नॉर्थ डूम टावर ओवर द किंग्स रिवर, नहीं नीचे वाला हाई सियरा, देन दिस जाइंट सीक्वेयर्स जो बहुत बड़े पेड़ हैं, ये प्रिजर्व्ड चॉइस।
ये सारे क्वेश्चन हैं जैसे हाउ डीप इज द ओशन, तो इस पे 5 मिनट रखो, फिर बोलो गेस द आंसर इन 5 सेकंड, फिर 5 सेकंड में आप टर्न कर लो आंसर।
अच्छा,
तो आप ऐसे स्टार्ट करो फिर टर्न करो।
क्वेश्चन आंसर है।
ये भी दिखा दो एक बार। यहाँ पे नेशनल पार्क, ये सेडार ग्रोव, ये भी है, ये ग्रैंड सेंटिनल, ये नॉर्थ डोम, ये ग्लेशियर मॉन्यूमेंट।
अच्छा गुड यार। अच्छा ये जो है ये किंग्स कैनियन का पूरा नक्शा है, ये जो है ये डिस्प्ले पे है। और इसमें इन्होंने मेजर जगह दिखा रखी है, नेशनल पार्क, देन दिस सेडर ग्रूव नीचे गया हुआ बिल्कुल ही गहरा है, देन रोरिंग रिवर फॉल्स, देन नेक्स्ट इज द साउथ फोर्क ऑफ द किंग्स रिवर, देन दिस इज चूंगवाल्ड मीडो, दिस इज ग्रैंड सेंटिनल, and this is, I don't know, I'm not been able to read it some end. Then this is North Dome, and then this is Glacier Monument. These are the places which are worth seeing in Kings Canyon. Here are the questions and answers. How deep is the canyon? And the answer lies over here. The answer is, it depends on where you measure it. The Zumwalt Meadow, it is as 3,500 feet to Grand Sentinel's Peak. The next question is, what once filled the Kings Canyon to a depth of over 1,000 feet? The answer lies over here, and the answer is ice. The glaciers once flowed down the canyon, carving it into a U-shaped valley. And it looks like a U-shaped valley only. If we have a look over there, this is the central deep portion. That's a deep valley. Then the next question is, what protects the King Canyon from ever being threatened with dams again? कि डैम यहाँ दोबारा ना बन जाए, तो क्या इसको प्रोटेक्ट करता है? The answer is over here. National Park Protection and Wild and Scenic Rivers Act 1968. It would be very interesting to read what is this Wild and Scenic Rivers Act of 1968. Then the next question, I'll read it. The next question is, what was left out of Kings Canyon National Park when Congress designated it in 1940? And the answer is, the Kings Canyon Congress did not add the floor of the canyon to the park until 1964. Floor को इन्होंने नहीं उसमें डाला. Shaped by ice. This U-shaped, flat-floored glacial valley is the Kings Canyon that gave the park its name. This is the flat valley. ये जो बीच का पोर्शन है, ये सारा flat valley है, which otherwise in this model looks very narrow. This is wildlife by choice. This Kings Canyon National Park, this human beings have understood the need and the reasons for preserving these wilderness, the natural habitats, natural rivers, natural beauties, and then this is a living history, and then this is the fragile beauty. Human impact lasts long here. A harsh climate and thin soil makes it hard for life to recover from use. Wilderness qualities such as quiet and solitude disappear easily as well. So this is beautiful. What is this? This is adaptation to white bark pines. Have to short summers, cold wind and snow. And this is cold wind. Then what is this? If I turn it, no, I am not being able to turn it. I am able to turn it like this. Cold wind. The pine needles resist freezing, and a waxy coating prevents the wind from drying them out. Okay. Then comes the next season. Okay. But I am not being able to rotate it. Yes. Then comes snow. Their thin, smooth, waxy pine needles shed snow and keep using sunlight for photosynthesis. Then comes this short summers. These pines start leaf growth and very early in the spring. And then comes this cold wind. The pine needles resist freezing, and very coating prevents the wind from drying them out. Then how the animals, what adaptations to grey crowned rosy finches have to short summers, cold wind and snow. Cold winds, they take advantage of meadows blown free of snow to find food. Then short summers, these birds rear their youngs in only 4 to 4.5 weeks. Then snow, they search for seeds and insects blown into the snow banks by the wind. Then this is picas. What adoptions do picas have to short summers and cold? This pica, another animal. This was a bird, and that was the flora and fauna, how the trees and all those things. And then how picas, cold wind picas have thick fur, low profile bodies, and small ears. Then short summers, picas harvest and stockpile summer grass to eat in winter. Okay. In snow, these relatives of rabbit live in rocky tunnels under the snow. Good thing survives. And this is Charles Hoffman. This is 1864. Charles Hoffman, cartographer on the 1864 California Geological Survey, sketched what is now called Charlotte Dome. People who have been to these places, they have written down their own memoirs. Pierce Paradise, beautiful, choosing to save giant Optendo.
Keeps this world after. I mean, you don't need to take care of
This
it.
is is the videos that's going on about this park. Also because of huge vegetation and the leaves and other things the plants do shed. And here is a list of all the fires that took place, and some from here we can make out. One can understand that it's too frequently that these parks face various type of challenges, but from thousands of years these are there standing tall and beating all the negatives of to visit these places. Joint sequoias. Actually, sequoia is a plant, the name is taken from the huge plants, that these sequoias are. And Kings Canyon, as I have already spoken, there's a valley, deep valley, and that lies in this area. That's Kings Canyon National Park area. It's a breathtakingly beautiful scenic places to visit, and one who is interested in nature and can understand and enjoy the beauty of the mother nature must visit and be here at least once.